I'm in the hotel room and my Oppo Find N5 arrived and I'm excited. So I'm going to open it now. I have the time tonight, so we'll open it. Now, what comes with the box? Okay. It comes with the Oppo pen. Okay, so there's a stylus Oppo pen, and then there's a leather magnetic case. Okay, there's a leather magnetic case. And then Oppo magnetic power bank, 500 milliamp. And Oppo Find N5. My cousin bought this for me in Malaysia. And so here's the invoice. The price is 7898. Okay, already bought it. Yeah. Okay, 7898. I have to hide the serial number. This is the Oppo Find N5 5G 16 gig plus 512 Cosmic Black. Okay. Okay, so the pen is separated. This is the price of the pen. 299 is the pen. Okay. So we will put this aside and let's see. How do you open this? They open it already. Okay, they open it already. So Find N. Then protruding position. How do you remove this? Okay. So this is the Oppo and it's right here. It's so thin. Then it comes with the adapter, 80 watts. 80 watts adapter. But this one, the plug is, how do you call this kind of plug? UK plug. It's a UK plug. And then, let's see. Anything else here? No more. Here, you have the USB-A to USB-C cable. And then, quick guide. Safety guide. Ejector pin. And, okay, there's another case here. So, the other case is an extra case. This is the case that comes with it. Let's try it. Okay, let's try to put it on. Okay. Wow, this is so slim. Wait. I'm going to get my Samsung J Fold. I'm going to remove the case so we have a better comparison. Okay. This is the Samsung J Flip. Can you see the comparison? Let me zoom it. Okay. I will remove the case so we could have a comparison. Okay. Comparison. Look here. Can you see the comparison? Let me clean this up. Clean this here. So let us compare the thickness. I'm going to put it this way and put it this way so we could make a comparison. Now I'm going to move the camera this way. Look how thin it is. Okay. This is my iPhone 15. I'm using my iPhone 16 for the video. So this is the comparison. Let's put the camera up here. Okay. Now I'm going to fold it. It is just a little, just only a little thicker than the iPhone. And yeah. Okay, now if I fold this, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Okay, yeah, look at the difference. That is how thin this one is. Anyway, this is just a short unboxing. I will check because I'm in the hotel. It's so difficult to set up. But let me try whether it turned on or not. It doesn't turn on. Oh, it turned on. There's a vibration. So it turns on. Oppo, powered by Android. Let's see. Okay. Then I'm so scared to close it. Okay. There's the apps. Okay. There's the apps here. And you could use it this way. And you could also open it. Very nice. Very nice. Even the middle is nice also. Now you cannot see the line. Okay. I think that's all. There are already a lot of software that are installed. So we will try this out. And we will maybe in the future make another vlog about my experience for this one. There's no internet, so I have to connect it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.